Was it this car right here?
Deontay, no.
It was.
Did you
see me too? Yeah.
You know what you mean to me, let's make history. Let's start a family, starting with Star Trek. When you need someone to call, girl, call you. When you need someone to hold you, girl, hold you. When you fall in love, you gotta make a move. I'm not worried about nobody, girl, but you. When you need someone to call, girl, call you. When you need someone to hold you, girl, hold you. When you fall.
What's up, Brank fam? It's your girl Jayla, and I am back with another video. So y'all, I'm trying to hurry up because Tay is in the shower. We're about to go. He's finna go try to buy him a new phone, the 12, and also we're going to get something to eat. And also, it's a time for the girls to fall asleep in the car, get their nap in. So he thinking we just running errands, but y'all, I am about to prank him. So I'm about to put a sign on the back of the car that's gonna say honk, but I don't know what to put. Like honk if you're happy or something. I'm gonna do something so general so people can honk, and I'm gonna show y'all what I came up with. But basically, I'm about to write a letter or write a note and put it on the back of the car and tell people to honk. So while he's driving, while we out, he gonna be like, why is everybody beeping and horn at me? So stay tuned because this is gonna be hilarious. 3. What's up, Brank fam? It's your girl Jayla.
It's your boy Tay.
It's your girl Star.
Period. And we are back with another video. So today we are just vlogging and just bringing y'all along our day. So first we have to drop off an order. If you all don't know, oh, Dream saying hi. You probably can't see her. You say hi, Dreamy. So as you all may know, our 3-year-old daughter Star has her own lip gloss business, and so this particular order, they ordered 1 gloss, and they also ordered my fave, come on, a chapstick. So we are dropping this order off. We do local delivery for those who live in close proximity. And yeah, so just come along with us today. Hopefully the girls fall asleep. We gotta go get something to eat. I know they hungry. Star, you hungry? You want Chick-fil-A?
No, I want McDonald's.
You want McDonald's? Okay.
I want a Happy Meal.
You want a Happy Meal?
Yeah,
Sure,
I want.
Hey, what's today? Tomorrow, Wednesday. We go tomorrow.
That's why I said that.
What's wrong?
Look, they're beeping at me.
Everybody's not finna be beeping at you.
It's like the second car that I'm beat. Like the light was red.
You probably seen somebody that don't you beep on the secret?
Y'all, we fasting and can't even eat. I'm hungry.
Man, I know. We are doing a spiritual fast for church. This is our 2nd week. We've been doing good.
Oh, there's beeping at him and me.
Tay, everybody is not beeping
I didn't
at
know
you.
that. It sounded like it was beeping at me.
Got him! Got him!
You acting paranoid. You want me to drive?
Okay, I'm not even paranoid. That ain't me, bruh. Start beeping at me. It's bad.
Why are you honking?
Yeah. Beeping at me for. Damn, sign all in my face. What?
What you talking
You
to?
just staring at me?
I can look at my man. Why are you so
You
mad?
just staring though. You,
That's annoying.
well, already irritated. Stomach hurt, fasting, can't eat. People just honking for no reason.
Sounds like you need to lay down and try it again, buddy.
It's done. Bro, I hope it's not at me, bro. I swear to God, it better not be beeping at me. Bruh. Was it this car right here?
Deontay, no.
It was.
Did you
You
just
see
pick
me
him up?
too, yeah.
Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
That's like the 5th car now. I'm counting now. I thought she was looking over here.
You need to calm down. It is not that serious.
It is that serious. Like, dang. Am I not driving good?
You're driving slow AF.
I'm not driving slow. Swear to God, I'm not.
All the kids sleep.
They're gonna wake them up, all this beeping.
Lighten up.
Lucky-
Deontay, it is hella traffic outside. Like, they could be beeping at anybody.
They beeping at me, I could tell. You can tell when somebody's beeping at you.
Okay. I'm sorry.
At least most of the time.
The sun coming out. Y'all, it's a pretty day outside. Say mad. Why are you mad? You not mad?
Irritating. That's it, irritating. Can't even drive. I feel like I ain't driving good. Get out and let you drive.
I don't want to drive. Alrighty, Brank fam. We are about to pull up at the house. Tay is irritated.
Not funny.
It was a prank, baby. It was a prank.
What do you mean it's a prank?
It was a prank. I put a sign on the back of the car. It says "Honk for peace."
You're annoying.
Honk for peace.
That's why they was honking.
So they really was honking at
I was
you.
ready to fight.
Now you was ready to fight. Boy. Alrighty, Brank fam. Make sure y'all like this video up. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel. We out.